Hello, I'm Nancy Kowalik with your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty in Mullica Hill. This is 30 Things to Do in Mullica Hill in 30 days, day 23. I'm standing here with Eric at Roundtree Farms. This nursery is magnificent. I've watched you guys grow from greenhouses to now you've got a bigger building out front. I know you have lots of things for the holidays, but tell us a little bit more about this great property and your business here.
All right, so my grandfather purchased this farm back in 1947 after they had another farm that my great-grandmother bought at the other end of Griffin Road.
I did not know there was that history. That's phenomenal. Okay.
Yes, so about 35 years ago, 30 years ago, dating myself, I started growing chrysanthemums to put up basketball court.
Yeah.
Next thing you know, did the corporate America thing. We then changed and I came back and we started doing more with greenhouses here. So we've got 4 greenhouses where we grow a lot of our own annuals.
Yeah.
As you can see, succulents. We've got a pretty good selection of succulents that we've been collecting over the years, and cacti. And now we're into the poinsettia season, cyclamen, and other holiday goods.
This is beautiful. I walked in this greenhouse, I was just blown away by I walked around to my daughter. Ooh. Like there's so many cool things.
Thank you.
No, thank you. Thanks for being part of the fabric here. Eric, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
I know I'll be back a lot more. Again, I'm Nancy Kowalik. This is your Home Sold Guaranteed Realty. 30 things to do in Mullica Hill in 30 days at Roundtree Farms with Eric. Thank you.
Thank you.
Absolutely. It's nice
For sure.
nice to talk to you. Go out and make it a great day.